Senja is Norway's second largest island and one of its most dramatic and atmospheric destinations, often described as Norway in miniature, because it brings together many of the country's most iconic landscapes in one place. Located above the Arctic Circle in Troms County, Senja is defined by sharp mountains, deep fjords, white sand beaches, and small fishing villages clinging to the edge of land and sea. The island's western coastline is especially striking, with jagged peaks plunging straight into the Norwegian Sea. Here, nature feels raw and untamed, shaped by wind, waves, and shifting Arctic light. Famous viewpoints such as Bergsbotn and Tunganiset offer panoramic views of serrated mountain ridges rising from the ocean, making Senja a magnet for photographers and hikers. In contrast, the eastern side of the island is gentler, with rolling hills, birch forests, and calmer fjords that reflect the sky like mirrors. Senja's villages are small and deeply connected to the sea. Traditional fishing communities such as Hamn, Mefjordvær, and Husøy are characterized by colorful wooden houses, harbors filled with boats, and drying racks for stockfish. Fishing has sustained life here for centuries and remains central to local culture, alongside sheep farming and small-scale tourism. Outdoor experiences define Senja throughout the year. In summer, the midnight sun bathes the landscape in soft, endless light, ideal for hiking, kayaking, and coastal exploration. Trails range from accessible coastal walks to challenging climbs like Hesten or Segla, whose summit offers one of the most iconic views in northern Norway. In winter, Senja transforms into a quiet, snow-covered world where visitors can enjoy snowshoeing, skiing, and the chance to witness the northern lights dancing across dark Arctic skies. Despite its wild appearance, Senja has a strong sense of community and calm. Roads follow the coastline, revealing ever-changing scenery, while modern architecture, such as viewing platforms and rest areas, has been thoughtfully integrated into the landscape. Life here moves at a slower pace, shaped by seasons and weather rather than clocks. Overall, Senja is a place of powerful natural beauty and deep tranquility. It offers an authentic Arctic experience, where mountains, sea, and sky dominate, and where nature remains the central presence in everyday life.